How to post long videos on WhatsApp status. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll teach you guys how you can post long videos on WhatsApp status. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that you'll need to take is open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, head over to the bottom left corner on the update section to see your status. Now, to add your status, simply tap on My Status and choose the video that you want to add. Now I'll just choose this video of 1 minute 40 seconds. Now what you'll need to do here is that you will need to trim your videos in two different sections. If any video is longer than a minute, you will have to trim it. If your video is of 60 seconds, that's perfect. You can just add that entire video in a single status. If it's not, you'll need to trim it. So as you can see, the first video section is of a minute. Now that means my second video should be of about 40 seconds. So on the second videos, I will just make it 40 seconds and then upload it. So let me do that here. Let me upload this in one. And after I upload this, simply tap on this upload button. It should start uploading. And after it starts uploading, you can just head back. Let me do that again. So here and full length, it's starting to prepare. And after it does that, I'll just add the 40 seconds video. So after doing that, your entire 1 minute 40 seconds video will get uploaded in your WhatsApp status. So let me do the same for the next part. Just tap this, head here and trim it. So there we go. Tap on done. And with that, I've just posted a long video on my WhatsApp status. And that is how you can post long videos on your WhatsApp status too. Thanks for watching guys. That is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye.